The Richest Man in Babylon is a classic book on personal finance and wealth building written by George S. Clason. It is set in ancient Babylon and tells the stories of various characters who learn valuable lessons about money and success. The book offers practical advice on how to save, invest, and budget in order to build wealth over time. Here are some key lessons from The Richest Man in Babylon. Number 1. Start saving and investing early. One of the main themes of the book is the importance of starting to save and invest as early as possible. This allows you to take advantage of the power of compound interest and build wealth over time. Number 2. Pay yourself first. Clason advises saving at least 10% of your income every month before paying any other expenses. This helps you build a financial foundation and gives you the ability to invest in opportunities that can help you grow your wealth. Number 3. Invest in assets that generate income. Instead of spending money on consumables or luxuries, Clason advises investing in assets that generate passive income, such as rental properties or businesses. This helps you build a steady stream of income that can help you achieve financial independence. Number 4. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. While it's important to be cautious with your money, Clason also advises taking calculated risks in order to potentially earn higher returns on your investments. He suggests seeking out opportunities where the potential reward outweighs the risk. Number 5. Seek out mentors and advisors. Clason advises seeking out mentors and advisors who can provide guidance and support as you work to build your wealth. Surrounding yourself with knowledgeable and successful people can help you learn valuable lessons and make better financial decisions.
If you want to see our videos before everyone else, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.